Can you imagine fitness without music? Try it. Well, as a fitness expert, I would say, now excuse me for saying that the real fitness, the real hardcore sports level fitness happens without music. Okay? Now you must be surprised that I'm making a video to promote music in fitness and I'm talking a bit against that. No, I'm not talking against that. Anything at the pro level doesn't need much of external aid. But before that, while you're practicing, while you're spending your days, years, you need a lot of music in it. But why? Why do you need music? Because it creates energy. And more than that, that's a general statement. It triggers some points in you. You see, interesting facts I'll tell you. There's 7 chakras, they say. You must have heard this philosophy, right, in yoga. There's 7 energy points in your body. And there are 7 notes in music. Whether you take it Indian way or the Western way, sa re ga ma pa dha ni or do re mi fa sol la ti. There are lots of sub-tunes and subcategories, but then these 7 notes mainly correspond with these 7 energy points. Different people like different types of music, different kinds of rhythm, different BPM, and different volume, different pitch. It all comes down to what works on them, what puts them in a good mood. Many times you must have seen that you may not like the same music during your fitness hours that you listened to yesterday or day before. You might want something else again after 2 days, right? Similarly, people need different types of music at different times in order to ignite that kind of energy. You see, it's basically not the body that's doing the fitness. It's basically inspiration. We look for inspiration. If mind is convinced, body will follow. This is how it is. Like that famous saying goes in one of these gymnastics movies that I have seen or documentaries, that he says, you throw your heart over the bar. That this girl was afraid of going on the bar and doing the stunts. And the coach says, you throw your heart over the bar and body will follow. I've seen it on many occasions that what we need to inspire is our mind. When we come into the mood, when we get into the mood, the body starts jumping and pumping and behaving like a kid, right? Now, many times you must have wondered, like 1 hour ago you were dead. You just thought, I will just sleep or give up, or I'll go get some coffee and then I'll think about fitness. But somehow after an hour you say, oh, thank God, I somehow convinced myself and did a fantastic workout. And you feel completely different than how you felt before, isn't it? It happens. So that is what it is, inspiration. And music plays a major role in it. And that's why all the gyms around the world, all kinds of fitness centers have music in them. Because music is a key factor in energizing your body, sculpting your body, or getting the best out of your body. Enjoy. Basta.